what BTC is doing, and it feels good to see that this has happened. It's a good time to see it because oftentimes when you tell retail traders about take profit, they seem not to understand what take profit means. But let me explain what take profit means. What take profit means to an institutional investor is that he invests money in anything, whether real or fake, for him to make profit, take his money and reinvest it, possibly in real estate. So you see all these things they are placing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Look, if you're a trader, you make profit. Withdraw your money, invest your money in real estate. I've been so long in the financial market, watching the market, and I can tell you the experience so far. I told people of a potential drop in price. After price tapping into 108, I've heard firmly that 108, 109. We are holding sell of 109, 109.45 for BTC sell. And we'll hold on to that structure until price has gotten to a broken supply roof. A broken supply roof becomes a demand floor. So at this level now, we are hoping that market will show a significant retracement to downswing. We want to see a retracement. Now, if you look at this level, this is a 4 hours candle close zone, a 4 hour candle supply roof. So I believe that at this level, that market will show a significant respect to that very fall. But however, if at this level market resists it, then you should be seeing BTC around 83K. It makes a whole lot of sense to see that. But the most important thing is that our analysis was respected. After price creates a supply roof at this level, create a supply roof, you have a break of structure at this level, you have a retest, and market is back. So we want to see if there's going to be a liquidity grab at this level. But what I see technically is based on the presence of the heavy bearish candle that look at this level after price breaking the structure, came back, retested it, and continued selling. From where price is, that 98 level makes a whole lot of sense to see if that area will be rejected. We are hoping that if that area will be rejected by close of time, that will be fine. But as you see at the moment, price have broken a strong demand floor. A strong demand floor is broken on let's look at it at 99.169. Will the 4 hours candle close above this structure? That will be watched. So if that does not happen, I'm sorry to say that the sell might continue because that's a 4 hours break of structure. So if that happens, if the 4 hours candle does not close above that structure, most likely if you are thinking of a buy, you're in the wrong buy zone. That is what it means. So what it means is that the selling pulse is still very much active and the take profit is not gone. But what does this mean for us? For us who trade market structure now, a break and close above the blue descending trend line, which serve as the supply roof of this mid-term bearish channel. A break below this structure will ultimately introduce a sell wave that will be experienced, that will be felt in the crypto space, indicating that price could technically come here and continue to come down until 1983. So I think 83 makes a whole lot of sense to see a buyback for the crypto. I believe that if market fail to respect that zone where I mentioned, then expect 83K to kick in. And that 83K is coming in as a result of the structure of the market. We might have it in this form. This 83 is very extreme for me, but why it looks very extreme, I will tell you why I've chosen it. This is the roof. If you clone the roof and you bring the roof to the floor of this heavy bullish impulse, you will see that we are within the buy zone. So on this level, I tell you from 84 to 83 is your new buy zone where you expect a stronger bullish move. So let's watch and see how the candle closes on this level and see if price is going to respect it. If it respects that structure, that is fine. There's going to be a buyback from that point. But I really have doubts that the take profit is actually going to be something that might really just be on the desk at the moment. I talked about this. I talked about it many times in multiple charts of this current take profit. So it feels good to see that institutions will be willing to drop the price of BTC way below 100,000 to give them ample opportunity to get back into the market and buy in direction of the larger trend. So we'll be watching it. We'll be watching it. We'll be watching it. There are market makers who are responsible for this kind of price action, and I believe they have stepped in to do what they are paid to do. They are paid to manipulate market. They are paid to drive market. So let's see. There's already a strong paper structure. So what I will see here, let's be very honest, is to I believe that the BTC might still continue to drop. I'm sorry to say it. I'm very, very sorry to say it. I believe it will still continue to drop. And my conviction is not empty. It's based on the strategy of my trade. But let's hope that the supply rule, which becomes a demand floor, holds. If it holds, that would be a good time. That would be a good opportunity to see price return back into at least 100K level. So if price push back into 100K level, that would be an opportunity to sell down again. That would be an opportunity to sell down. Or price could stay from here and target 110, 114, 115. But at the moment, I doubt if people want to really put money to push this thing to that. At this moment, I really doubt. I'm sorry to say it. I doubt. I doubt. But let us look at the structure. So let us not just say what we don't know. Let's look at structure and see what structure does. That's the best we can do.